Good afternoon. I'm Kelly from the County Grant Public Library. Welcome to our afternoon tea. I'm going to show you 3 quick ways of folding napkins. The quickest way, and they look so nice on the table. Number 1, get your nice napkin out, a fork, and you're just going to spin your napkin to make it look like a rose. Add a little leaf. And how pretty is that? Can you see that? Quick and easy, since our theme is roses. Second one, take your napkin, fold it like so. And you're just gonna roll it or fold it, your choice. Either or kind of works. Don't go right to the very end, you're gonna have a little tail. Roll it to the center. This is a big napkin. You're gonna tuck it in there like that. And then you're gonna do your little tails. And you got another little rose. You can put a little leaf on it as well if you'd like. And then you put it on a plate. No, can you see that? There you go. So an extra little rose, another little rose. Okay, so the third one is another quick and easy one. A nice big square napkin. Fold it from left to right, up to the center. We've got multiple layers here. Fold the top right down. Fold the next one and tuck it in the first one. And then the third one, tuck it in. Fold it over. You can add your, which I love this idea. Fork, your knife, spoon. Oh, and you're gonna put it on your plate. It's gonna be really fancy, so you gotta add a few little flowers, a few little finishing touches. Put it on your plate. Of course, you're gonna have nicer silverware than one that I'm using. And how nice is that? Have a good afternoon.